Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science School. Today we will discuss about Pandas DataFrame. DataFrame is really important. It helps us during the in-depth analysis of the data, and it has different functionality that gives us a summary, visualization and description, and also different kind of information about the dataset. So first of all, I will discuss about how to construct a data frame. We can construct data frame in different ways. Here I will discuss about two different ways. First of all, I will import pandas and numpy. First one is constructing data frame from dictionaries. So here is the dictionary about the nutrient and fat content of apple, orange and mangoes. So I'm going to create the dictionary DF-dict. So here is the dictionary. Here is the data frame that has been created from the dictionary. So what we need to put is actually pd.dataframe. We need to mention the name of the dictionary and what are the index we want to put here. The second way to create a data frame is to construct a data frame from numpy array. Here I will create a numpy array first, then I will create the data frame. Here I need to mention the name of the array and what are the columns and what are the indexes I have. Then I will get the new data frame from numpy array df np. So here you can see the new data frame from the numpy array. So these are the same data frame but constructed from different ways. We can also read data frame from CSV file. This is the easiest way, and we in different competition for machine learning and data science we will get the file as CSV in most of the cases. That time we need to read the CSV file and create the data frame. So if I use dataframe.head option here, it will show first five rows of the datasets. So this is the Titanic datasets I will use in the future videos also. We can use columns function for the data frame to check all the columns. What are the columns I have in my data frame? So df.columns will return the names of the columns. We have passenger ID, survived, P class, name, sex, age, and information about the siblings, spouses, parents and children, ticket, fare, cabin, and embarked. So these are the columns I have in my data frame. Also we can check the different types of data I have in my data frame. So df.dtypes will show us the data type of each column. For example, we have like 1, 2, 3 integer, and name as an object, and sex as we have like male and female. So these are the object data type. Then I have the option to check the shape of the dataset. That means the number of rows and number of columns of the whole dataset. So here I can see we have 891 rows in my dataset and 12 columns. As we have checked the head of the dataset, we can also check the tail of the dataset. Here I have like 8 rows from the dataset, from the tail of the dataset. So here you can see all the columns with bottom 8 rows. You can check the description of the data frame by using df.describe command. If I run the command, you will see here that for all numerical column is here, and we have like the information about the count, mean, standard deviation, minimum value, 25%, percentile, 50%, 75%, and maximum value. So I have all together in one single table, so I can analyze data in a better way. So here you can see the categorical variable are missing. So how you can include those? Yes, we can include those in our description table, you need to mention within the parentheses that include all. Then it will show the categorical value also. Here you can see like the sex we have unique two, one is male and the other one is the female. We have maximum number is male 577. So here you can see like Hamburg is a categorical data. We have like S is the highest number of frequency, that's 644. So this is really important for data analysis, that you are getting a table including all of this information all together. So that helps us a lot to analyze the data set. And finally, I will discuss about DataFrame information, df.info. This will show us the whole information about the data set, like how many columns we have and how many rows we have for each column, and what are the data types we have, how many float and integer and object we have, and what is the total amount of memory used in the data set. So that's it for today about the data set. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, please you can ask in the comment section, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.